Hi fifth graders, today we're going to be talking about Shay Bredimus, the artist that we were exposed to at the Long Beach Museum. So in Shay's Bredimus exhibition, Cartomancy, the Ascending Horoscope, Bredimus creates images of art using layers of paper. Each layer has a portrait of a person, a symbol, or a color. As an artist, Shay Bredimus wants to create art that lets people recognize emotionally. In this series, his art combines his symbol and his photo subject that he thinks best represents that subject. And some of the symbols that Bredimus utilized were animals.